Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another tutorial whether how you can add your social media links to your subreddit with its new look. Well, the new look of subreddit has made it even easier to add widgets. Instead of going to more tools, you can now just scroll down and click on edit widgets. It will open a small window where it will show you whether how many widgets have already been added. And here you can see that you can add up to 20 widgets. So to add a new widget, click on add widget. And since I'm interested in adding my social media links, just click on button. And you can add up to 10 buttons. Here, write the name of your widget, and you can write some description too if you want. Then click on add button. It will give you two options. Either you can make it a text button or image button. If you want to make it an image button, you may need to upload an image. Anyhow, I'm just making it a text button. Then label your button and add the link. And if you want, you can change the cover label. I'm just keeping it the same. And then click on add button. And then click on save. And here you can see that your website link has just been added. Now to add more, just click on this pencil icon and add your other social media links. And this is how you can add your social media links to your subreddit with its new look. And if you have stayed this far, please consider supporting by liking, subscribing, and sharing your thoughts in the comment section. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.